So I'm going to use one of each method just so you can see both of them done in the try-its. However, you could have used any method. What matters is that your answer matches with mine. So as long as your answer matches mine, then you did it correctly, no matter what method you did or you used. So for this one, I'm going to multiply um, first through the parentheses. So 2 times -3 is -6s. And then 2 times +1 is +2. 2 times -5 is -10. And now I'm going to combine my like terms. So 2 plus -10. And I get -6s minus 8. Because that's a positive, that's a negative. We subtract. We get 8, and we keep the sign of our larger number. That's an S, not a 5, just so you're aware. All right, B. I'm going to combine like terms first. And so we are going to box in my A's. And so I have -3/2 times, and then A, so 1A, so 1A minus 2A. This is keep, change, change. These are different signs, so we subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1A, and we keep it negative because my larger number is negative. So now I have -1A, and you can keep the 1 there or you cannot, totally up to you, and then -4. And now I'm going to multiply my fraction to both numbers, so -3 times 2, or -3/2 times -A, and then minus, but really it's going to be a plus because a negative times a negative is a positive. And so we have negative, or whoa, struggling. We have 3/2 times 4, because all I did was cancel out these negatives because a negative times a negative gives you a positive. You also could have kept it like this. But it's whatever is easiest for you. I'll rewrite it so -4 times -3/2. Maybe that'll be easier for you guys to see. So I can't cancel anything out with this. We have a variable times a fraction. And so -1A times -3/2, that's going to give me a positive 3/2 A. And then we just attach the A to it. And then we have -4 times -3, because remember this is over 1. So -4 times -3 is that positive that I was talking about earlier. And then 4 times 3 is 12. And then 2 times 1 is 2. And so we can simplify that fraction. So that becomes 3/2 A plus 12 divided by 2 is 6. And you can just leave it as a fraction. All right, on to example 3.